we have a special guest, Byron B. So we got a mail. We got snail mail. And this is about the business that y'all don't even know about. So we got the mail from LegalZoom. And what we're going to do is open it up so y'all can see. So we did the express packet. So we paid for it. The best packet.
You showed them?
Yeah, I showed them. Like it's all it is a UPS box. Ooh. Kind of hard to open. Okay, I'm trying to. Okay, it's got a thing that says pull here. So how about I try to use that? Yes. So, all right. Y'all gonna see it with us. Nothing in there. So, with the express packet, when you use LegalZoom, this is what comes in it. Oh, look at that. All official. They didn't have to do that. Look at that. They got to put a stamp on it. They didn't have to do that. I paid you. It ain't like you did it for free. Okay. Just a box. All right. So, this is the leather binder. All right. Let's take this out. And then, oh, you get a seal. I don't think y'all can see that. Okay, y'all see that seal? All right. Ooh, it's official. Look at that. So, that makes this little imprint of this stamp. That is cool. Oh, do we go this way?
Yeah. You stick it in there. And then
push it back this way? Or push it back this way?
Yeah, I think that's supposed to hold it in there.
This hold it?
I think. And you just
Ew. Cool. See, this is why we need the hubby on camera. So yeah, I still don't know how to do it, y'all. You just put it that way?
Yeah. You put this stamp in there and then you close it.
Yeah, cool. Fabulous. So it got its own little case. Bam. It's all official. And this is where the hooks go. We're going to put that here. And this is like all the documents. All the documents. More documents. And all the official paperwork. All the documents and the official papers that it is legit. So we got to put this and then the guidelines.
This is a tax stuff, man.
Yeah, it's got the small business tax stuff. So why did we go through LegalZoom is because we didn't want the headache. We're running a business and we didn't want the headache of
startup and all that.
Yes, what he said. We didn't want the headache, so we wanted someone to do it for us so we can make sure it was done right the first time. Oh, y'all, this is cool. I will show y'all all the official seals and stuff. Look at this. It is. You see that? This is for the stock. If we want to actually write, give out, we got a couple of these that if we want to give out shares in our company, and this is the like legit of how you can give out like a couple shares, all certified and stuff. It is nice. It's nice. And we get the numbers, this, to who, the date, and all of this. So that is nice. I wish y'all can see it, but the camera is up there, so. All right, and it's about more stuff. Trading stock transfer leaders. So, yes. So this big, nice thing is where all the important documents go. So let's put it all back in here. So it was so much fun opening this on a camera with y'all so y'all can experience this journey as we build this company together. Babe, you got anything you want to say to the people?
Nah, it's just our first business, you know, trying to do right by. It's gonna be a lot of work, but we'll get it there.
He's a man of few words, but they are very powerful when spoken. All right. So thank y'all guys for tuning in to Jay's TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more. And we will let y'all know how the business is going, and we'll make sure we do more updates. So this is our family blog time. So, and thank y'all for watching him join us in the program. All right, talk to y'all later. Ciao. What are y'all still doing here? Get out of here.